Just pick this little piece of druzy up. Really, a really nice color, almost like gem silica. Really jammy. It's a really pretty color. Very good clarity. Well, I kind of hit that one wrong. I'm trying to just break off some overburden. I wasn't sure if it was jasper or moss agate, but it was certainly moss agate. Nice little druzy in there. Cute little backfill. Same agate. Really nice blues and greens. Looks very jammy. The clarity over here is really nice. Excellent. I did manage to come out near the bottom of the cliffs, and it might even be a bit of a scree over here. Bit of a slide area, anything? No? But yeah, there's the deep ravine. Excellent. This should be a new wall. I'm gonna go get under it. Okay, so we found a bit of a creek. It's just excellent. So let's see what we have. Some of this red basalt, green silication. There's a little piece of float agate. It's actually just chalcedony. Nice. Looks to be entire green, not just the skin. Also noticed this, the oddness in this red rock. Red basalt. There's this green inclusion here. Some opal. Seems a little strange, so I'm gonna bang on it. Some little coloring, probably chalcedonite. Changes every week. Every week it's a new mineral. So there's some wash here. Oh, this basalt is super green stained. Step down a little bit here. See what's going on. Just some extremely dense looking basalt. Wow. It almost breaks conchoidally. Look at these fractures. The edges. What a sharp stone. That's different. Well, we're just working our way up that wash onto the cliffs. But yeah, I started to notice a couple real cool rocks. Look at this. That's so cool. That worm stone again. But this time it's painted all the most beautiful teals and greens. Wow, what a showpiece. That is a beautiful rock. And then I think this is where it might have come off of. It looks like it was some sort of hydrothermal activity, perhaps in a pillow basalt. But for some reason, inside this cavity in this basalt, you have this crazy worm growth mineralization, and it is super cool. I'm gonna try and break that down and pack these up. They're coming home. This little cat's pretty rad too. Same sort of thing, only, you know, cerulean blue or whatever. I guess it's that new mineral that I've already forgotten. But we're gonna go there. That's where we're gonna go. Right. Well, made it to that cave line. I'm not sure what's here yet, if anything. Haven't had a look. But yeah, it doesn't seem to be an opal band. A little early to tell. So, somewhere in McLean, some of the incredible scenery